Did you miss me? I'm bringing you guys this classy girl Paris Chanel inspired makeup tutorial. This is the look I've been going for, but other than the red lips, I've been doing like a glossy lip. But this red lip just makes it so classic. I'm not classic man, I'm giving you classic woman. You feel me? If you're not a part of the royal gang, make sure you click the subscribe button down there, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. Y'all ready? Let's get down to business. Cooking. So now let's moisturize the skin. Moisturizing with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. I love this. Y'all see my skin? This is what Haiti does to you. It makes your skin beautiful. Stress-free, carefree, can't pause. For brows, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Dark Brown Liner. No black, dark brown only. So now I'm just going to clean up my brows with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. Is it Caramel? I lied. Amande. I can't even lie, I OD on a primer. I OD on a primer. I feel like not only could your skin never have enough protection, but my makeup gonna last. My makeup is going to last. Taking the NYX glitter primer, I'm gonna apply this to all of my laugh lines and underneath my eyes so that my face won't crease as soon as it could. Feel me? Maybelline Superstay for the win, for the W. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel. Is this Caramel? I think, yep, this is the one that's in Caramel. Really been wanting or caring to do eyeshadow. I think it's just because I've been that much on the go that I haven't had the time to like sit and create a look. So I just go into my Tarte Makeup Shayla Contour Kit and I go into this color right here and I literally just lay that all over the eyelid, all over it. And that's it. That's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna do a liner. I'm gonna wing it out in the front and in the back. Let me do that again. I'm gonna wing it out in the front and in the back. face powder is going to be Deep Dark by MAC. This is the MSF, the Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm just going to use Sweet as Cocoa. It's a nice simple blush by MAC. I'm a fire, but I won't give up. Where there's a will, there is a way. I will go back till I succeed. For shimmer, we're using a combination of the Amrezy Highlighter and the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Trophy Wife. These two together. No caption needed. For lips, we're going to do an ombre red. I feel like you can never go wrong with that. That's super cute, classy, sexy. It's A1 day one. I'm going to start with lining my lips with the Nightmoth Liner by MAC. I'm going to use Thin by MAC, which is a matte color on the outer edge of the lips, and Rubywoo for the center.